the mermaid's treasure chest. In a sparkling coral castle under the sea lived a little mermaid named Coral. She had a special treasure chest that glowed with golden light. Every morning, she opened it and shared pearls, seashells, and starfish with all her ocean friends. The fish danced, the turtles smiled, and even the shy seahorses came out to play. But one day, Coral woke up and found her treasure chest empty. Not a single pearl remained. "My treasure is gone," she cried. The ocean felt dark and quiet. Coral hid inside a dark cave, feeling useless. Then a tiny clownfish named Finn swam up to her. "We don't miss your pearls," Finn said. "We miss you. Come swim with us." Coral took a deep breath and followed Finn. She played hide-and-seek among the seaweed, raced with the dolphins, and told jokes to the octopus. As she laughed, something amazing happened. Her empty chest began to glow again, but this time, it wasn't filled with pearls. It was filled with something brighter, friendship. Coral learned that the real treasure isn't gold or gems. It's the joy you share and the love you give. And that treasure, it can never be lost.